came here today because I wanted the small business community, particularly the Latino community that I'm speaking to today, to understand that Metro has lots of work, lots of projects that require certain services, our architectural and engineering, construction, our professional services, general services, those kinds of things. We spend a lot of money in the Houston community, and we have a 35% subcontracting goal. We require that our prime contractors subcontract 35% of their work on Metro contracts to small and disadvantaged businesses. And I came here today to do some outreach to make sure that the small businesses that are members of the empresarios understand and know the benefits of certification and understand that they can do business with a big organization like Metro. You have more opportunities if you are certified as a small business with Metro. That is an incentive for a prime contractor to use you on his subcontracts. So if you're certified, then the primes look at you and say, okay, I've got this goal to meet. I need to have some of these small and disadvantaged businesses on my contract. Why don't you come and work with me? And that's what we're trying to encourage.
So definitely come to you guys, to Metro, and be certified.
You can go to www.ridemetro.org under opportunities, and there's all the information that you need to find out about Metro's small business program.